I'll start the demo in terms of the end user experience for the agent and the wallet, because at the end of the day, the complete scenario really is best described when you have a wallet or a mobile banking on a wallet or on a casa, doesn't really matter, then interact with an agent. So the one that you're seeing right now in your screen is that the platform that we have. If you're taking our wallet, then therefore you'll get the wallet engine. So it's a proper accounting engine that stores all account information. And this time around, this is where we have the information on our side, or within the platform itself, not on the core, because at the end of the day, we maintain the wallet engine, the wallet accounts and customers. Though in some implementation of the banks, they want one virtual account for everything that will just be the reflection of the total funds in the wallet that you have in our platform. So those things can be discussed in another time. Again, this system that I have or will be using for the demo consists of wallet, agent banking. So therefore, the only reason that I'm going to be able to demonstrate the full capability of those transactions is because I'm running on our wallet. I'm not connected to any core banking, but I'll be able to do this thing. So on your left, you'll see this one. This is my mobile phone, Note 8, and this is my other mobile phone. It's currently projected on the screen. So let me start with our wallet or our retail banking solution that can serve wallet or your casa. Remember, right now, I'm using it live and I'm just having a wallet at the back end. So this is a simple implementation that we have. It's a demo app that you can actually download in Play Store if you want to try it out. It's running on the wallet system. So let me just check my internet connection. Okay. So I'm logging in now using my wallet. So this is actually my wallet balance, where I can do transfer to anyone, transfer to a person with an account, a person with a wallet, or I can send money to somebody in the province using the wallet as a source of fund and via an agent. Then the recipient doesn't need to have any account. So addressing the last mile challenge of financial inclusion. So I'll start with that one. But before that, let me demonstrate a simple scenario of a wallet wherein I'm going to log in this other phone on your right as another user. So I'm using the same app, but as you can see, the color themes are different because we have that personalization capabilities as well. So again, that's part of our front-end capabilities. Now, I have here another account, which is my son, John Teddy, and Romel, this is me. So let me quickly transfer some funds. So I can transfer from wallet to his wallet. So this is his wallet, 4,769, which is held in this backend because we're using the same system. So I can transfer to him directly and I have saved him as a payee, or I can repeat any other transactions that I've done in the past. So that's called the user experience. So in this case, I'm going to do another transfer again because I did something in the past of $40, transfer to him and give it his allowance. So directly, it's going to be credited to his account for 769, his current balance. That's the wallet balance. Okay, so I can have an OTP, I can have an MPIN, transaction PIN, or what have you. Those security features are all by default standard to our solution. So now I just transfer $40 to my son via wallet. And yes, we have loyalties and rewards, by the way, which we can define either percentage of the transaction or a certain amount. So this is like a cashback. So I define the system that it will throw a cashback of 10% of my transaction. So to entice people to use the wallet, because that's the first thing you need to think of gimmicks and promos so that people will start using the wallet. So aside from this one, so we have rewards and loyalties once they use the wallet in terms of paying or transferring money. So now I just refresh my son's account. Okay, as you can see from here, he has an additional $40 for there. Or I can pay my bills. So you can pay my bills using the wallet as well. So I can define my billers, whatever is configured in the backend. That's also part of the solution offering. So I can pay the billers using the wallet. So this demo can actually use the wallet or a casa. It depends. But right now, I don't have a casa at my backend. So therefore, I can pay these billers using my wallet. Due today. That one. Okay. So these things are pretty standard. Bill payments, pays. It follows almost the same flows and security features. There. So that's the wallet. Now I'll slowly move from wallet to agent banking. So now, from the user point of view, let me show you one interaction. The wallet is the back end working together for the agent and the user. So let me open the agent banking. So this is the agent banking on your right. Okay, so this is agent slash merchant. It depends on the user. If the user is just an agent, then you'll see agent screen. Okay, now let me do one quick interaction. I'm going to do a cardless withdrawal, meaning I'm going to withdraw or do a cash out to an agent. So I'm going to withdraw from my own account, and I'm going to an agent, and I want to withdraw, let's say, $80 to the agent. Okay, I don't have an ATM. I don't have an ATM. I just have this mobile app from your bank. Now it sends an OTP, a secure OTP, to my email or SMS or what have you, because we have our notification engine. So I go to my email, and then let me see if there's new fresh email. There you go. So this is my Gmail. So let me open that. Okay. Now I go to an agent. So I go to an agent or I go to an ATM. Doesn't really matter because the services is just the same. So here's the agent. I'm logging in as an agent here. So I go to the agent and I told the agent, oh, by the way, so I can be a merchant and I can be an agent. If you are a merchant, you're focused on these services. If you are an agent, then you are focused on these services. So I go to the agent, told the agent, by the way, can I do a cash out? The agent goes to the cash out. The agent will ask me, okay, what do you have to challenge your identity? I have an OTP. So you click the OTP. Okay, can you give me your account number or your wallet number? So that can be no. So this is my account number. And then what's the amount? Of course, if you are the rightful owner of this token, because this is already a live token in the server, then you know the amount. Second question. Third question, do you have the OTP? And if you are the right recipient, of course you have the OTP. Then you enter the OTP. So cardless, whether it's an ATM or an agent, this is the same flow. So we have done this already to a couple of clients. So let me check 63919914940, and the amount is 80. Then I think 740147. Okay. So if it doesn't match any one of the fields, it will not go. So because there's a token, there's a live token created for this transaction on the server, and it's checking for it, and it has a time lapse. The time lapse depending on your policy. If you want 1 hour, 2 hours, doesn't really matter, or days is even possible. So here, if this is the agent, so as you can see, we didn't enter my name when we are transacting with the agent, but this time it tells the agent, hey, the person in front of you is actually Romel Aceron. Okay, you can give the cash to him. The wallet of this agent will be deducted, and then he can release the amount. Yes, there's a hand raised. Yes, Luis?
Yeah, I have just one question.
Yeah.
As you explain your solution, it's API based. It means that for the agent, is it possible for you to make available those interface so the agent can, if he wants to, integrate in their solution the options to the operations like cash out or cash?
Yes. So as you can see from here right now, this is a cash out. That can be a cash out against a wallet, which what I have right now, or against a casa. So as long as it's serving the same purpose of a withdrawal function. Cash in is also available. Example here, I'm going to do a cash in. If this can be the account number, but in my case, since I'm using a wallet, I'm entering the wallet number or in equivalent to other account. Then I can do a cash in of 200. So I give 200 to the agent, and then her balance will be adjusted accordingly. So there you go. So now if I go to this user, if I go back to the app, I'll see a credit of 200. So it is well connected in the ecosystem. Whether you're using a wallet from a mobile banking or a casa from a mobile banking, this agent that you're seeing right now is connected to that same system. Because as I have shown to you a while ago in this same diagram, okay, that they are connected to the same bucket. It's just that this is another channel, which is the agent using it. No, so this is the app of the agent, while the one that I've shown to you a while ago is the app of the user. And alternatively, if the agent is having merchant functionalities, I'll show you one more thing now. the agent can be receiving payments, no? So sample, okay, you want to pay Nike, you're buying a shoes, $200 shoes. So you're paying this merchant, and the merchant saying, hey, you have to pay me $200. Can you scan and pay me? Sure, I'm a user of the bank and I have that capability. I'll go for the scan and pay. I'll lift up my phone, yeah, and then I'm going to scan the POS, and there you go. So from my end, I can pay, let's say, pay shoes. Okay, I can pay my shoe, and then that will be taken against my wallet or the CASA account. For us, it doesn't really matter what will be the accounting engine to hit, as long as there is an API. So most of the core banking out there will have their deposit API, withdrawal API, balance inquiry API, and sometimes also their bill payments API. That is also possible there. So therefore, if you are in the agent, so let me go here in the agent app. So the things that you can do depends on the services that's available in the channel. So if we are the channel of choice, then of course those services that you see from my slide a while ago, we can expose sample. We can pay the bills, so utility bills here. So a person can go to the agent, hey, agent, I want to pay my electric bill. By the way, it's a prepaid electric bill. Or these fields can change. Again, remember, we have a Lego block. It depends on what we are going to hit at the back end. If your back end is requiring more fields here, then we're just going to pass those same fields to the agent. Okay, so here, let's say you want to pay your electric bill for this month, $40. So the agent will receive it, no? So receive the payment, it can proceed. So it depends on what can be fetched from the backend. You can expose to the agent. Now, if the agent is powered by a tablet or an Android device that is connected to a Bluetooth printer, then therefore we can print it. No, so of course I don't have a Bluetooth printer right now connected to my phone, so I don't have it. But again, that can be done. So they can issue a receipt, of course, according to whatever device they're using. If they're using the advanced POS/Android device, then of course we can easily do this. No, so they can do that one. They can even, let's say, what else can I do? Okay, your agent can also act like a branch service. Let's say every number of years, your customer needs to do an KYC upgrade. So they can go to an agent, or you can assign an agent to go to some customer. Or let's say, oh, you go to this customer. So let me just type here number of the customer. Okay, and then you have to update his KYC. So once I'm in front of the customer, sir, I have to update your KYC. So Mr. John Teddy, I need a copy of your customer photo. So I'll take the customer photo, what have you, whatever is there, take a picture, pack. So again, all of those things that you can do in a branch, your agent can do. So we provide all these facilities, all the services, because we have those services. Remember the list of things that you can do on the mobile internet banking and mobile retail banking? We can expose it here. So even account opening, the agent can also do an account opening. So get the information, same thing in what you have seen in my digital onboarding. This time around, there's an agent. So therefore, there's no need to capture the video. The video KYC replaced the face-to-face requirement. Now, since you are face-to-face with the agent, then of course, I'll just simply capture all the information, scan the data, document, passport, and then let them sign in the mobile tablet or the app device. No? So all of these things can be changed, can be controlled. Let's say per agent group, you have a different set of permissions. Let's say in one agent, they can only do cash in and cash out. In one agent, they can accept bill payments. All of those things can be done within the platform itself. So that is our agent banking. So these are the, yeah.
Yes, as you can see, these are the list of services which Equity Bank has exposed on USSD, right? Now, depending on bank to bank, this list can change. Okay, like for example, balance, buy airtime, send money, pay bill, pay goods, easy loans. You know, say easy loan is same as this micro loans on the app. Here, buy float, withdraw cash. Settings. Buy float is applicable when I'm the agent. Okay, this is just a demo, and then that's where we had put it. So withdraw cash settings back, right? So these are various, and depending on what. But where it changes from a smartphone and USSD is, of course, how what information and how you're capturing those information, right? Because if it's USSD, you cannot have images. It will be only text. So if you're doing an onboarding, you can do onboarding on USSD as well, but you can only punch in your phone number, some basic text related detail. Then that will get passed on to the backend system, and then you can go to an agent where the agent can take a picture and your IC document, and then you can then that will go into the queue on the backend control center, which I think Roman might have showed you, and then that goes through the approval process. So that's at a very high level.
Yeah. So again, sir, as you can see from this very quick demo of the video, it interacts already with our backend because it's asking for an account and all of those things, and those information are fetching or being sent by our API. So an API to come in and an API to come out. No.